To analyze spending habits with Rocket Money, start by linking your financial accounts to the platform. This allows Rocket Money to track your income and expenses, providing a comprehensive view of your financial situation. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to the dashboard where you can see a breakdown of your spending by category. The next step is to review your spending categories, which are typically grouped into essentials such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and non-essentials like entertainment and hobbies. Rocket Money will automatically assign transactions to these categories, but you can also customize the categories to fit your specific needs. To gain a deeper understanding of your spending habits, use the trend analysis feature to see how your spending has changed over time. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to stay within your budget. You can also set budget targets for each category, and Rocket Money will send you alerts when you go over budget. Another key feature of Rocket Money is the ability to track recurring expenses, such as subscription services and bill payments. This helps you stay on top of regular expenses and avoid unnecessary charges. By analyzing your spending habits with Rocket Money, you can make informed decisions about your financial priorities and develop a plan to achieve your long-term financial goals. To get the most out of Rocket Money, make sure to regularly review and update your account information, and take advantage of the platform's budgeting tools and alerts. By following these steps and using Rocket Money effectively, you can gain a better understanding of your spending habits and take control of your financial situation.